I'm in the beautiful downtown historic district of Savannah, Georgia. We made it here. It's a beautiful place, beautiful city. Look at this park that I'm getting ready to walk through. It's a very old park. Very peaceful place, but there's a lot of people out here. But it's still pretty peaceful. Everyone just hanging out at the park. So this is a it says it's the Tomo-Chi-Chi's grave. This is a burial ground for a Indian. He was in the tribe Yamasee Indians. He was in the Yamasee Indians. It's not a bad, not a bad grave. Beautiful grave. I like that. They give respect. Hey, how are you?
Good. What is that? What is that?
That's a GoPro.
That's a what?
I make videos. I make GoPro videos.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. What do you do?
I'm one of Jehovah's Witnesses. We offer anything here you want, a magazine you want, you can have.
Okay.
Anything.
Do you know anything about this this place here?
No, I don't.
You don't know
They
anything
have a
about
tour
it?
guide. I think it's something up there you can read about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
No problem. Thank you. Have a blessed day.
You have a good day
Yep.
too.
There's like a little rock over here. What's this rock? I think they're doing a tour.
So if you have any questions as we're leaving the square to catch up,
Excuse me.
I'll do my best. But I'll tell you what we're talking about right here, right? We've got a
Tomochichi.
this fellow named Tomochichi, who was the local
Tomochichi, the Miko of the Yama.
English founder of Savannah, James Oglethorpe Prize. So here's what I'm trying to explain.
So Tomochichi was the
We think he's buried under this one.
a chief here.
I think that's where Tomochichi's buried. But again, nobody knows.
This is Tomochichi's park. Beautiful park. I'm gonna go now to the river walk area and check out the ocean. Check out the water.